Hello girls, how are you again? So today we'll continue chapter 11, lesson 7 and 8, add and subtract mixed numbers when we have like denominators. The same way we did it in fractions, we will do it exactly in mixed numbers, but you know that the difference here that we have a whole number. How is that? Let's remember how we did before in fractions. As you see, 5 out of 7 plus 1 out of 7, how we did it before in the fractions, we will see the same denominator or common denominator and write it. And we will work with the numerator only. So 5 and 1, it's 6. The same thing we do in minus, but it will be subtraction, okay? Here, the difference between this exercise and the mixed number that, for the mixed number we have, for the fraction we have a mixed number. So if I write here 2 and write here 1, for example, okay? Now I changed both of them, 2 and 5 out of 7, plus 1 and 1 out of 7. I changed both of these, or of those, into mixed numbers. That's it. So I will do the same way. But here the difference that I have fraction and I have a whole number. So I have 2 steps here, not only one. So first step, I will add the fractions together. Then I will work with a whole number together. Let's see how is that. Reminder, 2 steps to do addition or subtraction for mixed numbers. First, you will see the fractional part. It means that you will look to the fraction first, then you will look to the whole number. Let's apply it in this example. 2 and 5 out of 13 plus 7 and 6 out of 13. As I told you, first we will work with the fractions. So, as before, the denominator stay the same. What about the fractions? We will work with the numerator, 5 and 6, 11. We finished the first step, that to add the fractions. Now we will move to the whole number. So I will add the whole numbers together. 2 and 7 is 9. So this is my mixed number after doing the 2 steps. Done? The same way here we will do in subtraction. 2 steps because I have whole and fraction. So we will work the fractions together and the whole together. First of all, I will write my denominator because it never change in the addition or subtraction, right? So we will work now the numerator together. 9 minus 2 is 7. We will see now the whole number together, 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So here is my mixed number, 2 and 7/10, right? Good. That's it for today. This is the idea. I just here want to show you one more idea that will come with you in the questions. It's different from the main idea here. Look at question 12 in your classwork. Okay, so in the question in lesson 8, okay, 11.8, and see question 12, this question. It's 2 out of 5 minus 3. I will erase this. Okay, so as you see here, we have 2 out of 5. Look at the fractions. 2 out of 5 minus 3 out of 5. Here we have for sure 8. Here we have 3. Okay, so as you see here, if I want to work with the fractions, 2 minus 3, is it allowed? Not, because the 2 is less than the 3. Okay, in this case, what I should do? The best way, here we have many ways, by the way. I will give you the best and easier way, okay, and easiest way. So here, when you face this problem, that when you have a fraction that is less than the other one, you should change your way of answering. We will here, okay, I will work on the other page. Here, 2, 8, and 2 out of 5. 8 and 2 out of 5. I will change minus 3. Okay, 8 and 2 out of 5. Okay, I will work with the first one. 8 and 2 out of 5. Okay, girls, I will change this mixed number and the other mixed number into improper fractions, okay? So when you face this way, this problem, just change both numbers into improper fractions. It's better for you. So 8 and 2 out of 5, I will change the first number into an improper fraction. So remember how to change into improper fraction. You know that the denominator stay the same, and then the numerator will be from multiply and plus. Do you remember this way, guys? We took it in the last lesson. So 5 multiply 8 is 40. 40 plus 2 is what? 42. So I will write it in the numerator. So my first improper is 42 out of 5. I will go here. Okay. Then I will write the first improper 42 out of 5 minus. By the way, this one is this. Now I will write this as an improper fraction, 3 and 3 out of 5. I will write here 3 and 3 out of 5. How can I write it as improper? You know that the fraction, the denominators stay the same. Now multiply, then plus. So 5 and 3, 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So 18 out of 5. I will go to my page and write 18 out of 5. See, guys, now it's easier for me to subtract 14 and 18. I changed them into improper fractions. So I will work with it in this way. Let me erase this line. Okay. So 18 out of 5 and 42 out of 5. I will find the answer easily now. So it will be out of 5 for sure. And I will, as any other fraction, I will subtract the numerator. 42 minus 18, it's 24. Okay, guys, this is not the last answer. I will get the improper fraction here again into what? Into a mixed number. So 24 out of 5. Let's change it again to a mixed number. How is that? Do you remember, girls, the steps? We will skip count from 5 to 24. So 5 and 5, 10 and 5, 15 and 5, 20 and 5, 25. I can't use this 5. So I will use how many 5s only? I will use 4 5s, and this is my whole. You know that the denominator is 5. What about the numerator? The numerator is the difference between my answer and 24. So if I choose here 4 and 5, 20. How many left to make them 24? 4. So this is my mixed number. So my answer here is 4 and 4 out of 5. So I will write here 4. I will change the color. 4 and let me erase it. 4 and 4 out of 5. This is the answer, right? The same thing here, guys. Question 19. Try to do it by yourself. Just change these two fractions, these two mixed number, into improper. Change them to improper, then find the answer, then switch it again to mixed number. That's it for today. See you next time.